Well, I'm here at the Advanced Hair Studio, a place where I came 7, 8 years ago. With age, your hair starts thinning, and I've been so fortunate to come here because they've looked after me and looked after my natural hair and got it back to where it was. So, I know it's something which you should try because looking after your hair is so very important. An Advanced Hair Studio does that perfectly. Keeps your natural hair growing, provides you with all the requirements, and here I am. Even at this age, when people hair start thinning, falling, losing, I've been managed to keep it intact. So thank you, Advanced Hair Studio. It's been great so far. Boys, girls, men, women, they make everyone look fantastic. So thank you once again, Advanced Hair Studio, and I hope you keep serving many, many people as you've done all over the world for a long period of time.
For all of you, if you want to look younger, come here soon.